Now today we focused on adding a tiny little bit of variation, but there was a lot of technique in between.
A lot of momentum-based ideas.
Yeah, and how we can affect those. So let's first start with a whip. I'm going to start with a same side whip. 2, 3, and leaders to the side on 4. Right off the bat, leaders, I'm going to rotate to the left side to create an acceleration. This is 5 and 6.
Follows, I felt that extra rotational energy, so I let that carry me to an over-rotated position. We talked about how this step is pretty small. It's almost less than shoulder width apart. My legs are over-crossed, so if you look at it from this position, you'll see that my toe and my heel are in line. So my thighs are very squeezed together. I'm really stable in this position. But the hardest part of all is the frame. You want to make sure that you don't overextend your arm. Let the shoulder roll forward. You'll notice the elbows towards the ceiling when that happens. You want to keep it soft and towards the floor. I'm making sure to stay looking at my leader, and that makes the frame so much easier.
Leaders, pay attention to that as well. Sometimes you don't notice your hand at the end was like kind of slightly cocked out to the right, so just try to keep the knuckles aligned.
Yes.
Then from there, we're going to go into this variation for the followers.
Yes, it's just a sugar push. Leaders, you can do 2 moonwalks if you want to be fancy. Follows, we're doing a moonwalk and a ronde. So my weight's all the way over my left foot. I put it on my right to moonwalk, step on my left to ronde, and that falls right into my triple step or my 3 and 4.
Let's do that one more time. From the beginning of that, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We triple 5 and 6. She walks in 1, 2, triple step, triple step.
But remember, follows, the biggest thing was just take the transition smooth. If you didn't get the ronde or the moonwalk ronde, no big deal. If you got here, just remember to take it slow as you come back in. Don't just square off for the next pattern.
Then from there, we did an inside turn, but we made it fancy. We have 1, prep 2. I'm off to the left side. I triple 3 and 4 leaders to see how far off I am to the right, okay? I weight my left foot. Now I'm going to twist my body to create 5 and 6.
Follows, we're landing, we cut our rotation a little short so we can land sideways, and that's softening my blow. I'm kind of sliding or collecting my foot together, so now I can use that last rotation to again make it nice and smooth in the transition.
Let's do it one last time on this side. We got 1, prep 2, inside 3 and 4, triple 5 and 6 and 1.
Can you do it one more time so I can do the 1 foot version?
Yes. 1, 2,
He's going to
3
land
and
closer, so that makes me want to 1 foot and step out, all the same.
Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Woo!